Hi everyone. So I'm just we're on our day 2 Lana Cadis Feha. I'll tell me the Kecht a Shay. So Kecht a Shay, Cahan a Rick Sheed Bar and Tlefa. So Cahan means when. When did they reach the top of the mountain? So the verb is Rick. They reached Rick Sheed. Cain fa iver shocked, Cain fa rev Donald Flock a Kraken. Cain fa means why? Cain fa rev Donald Flock a Kraken. Why was he soaked to the skin? Chwer Donald Glaker Daddy. Chwer. So chwer is in the past tense. Chwer Donald Glaker Daddy. Did Donald ring Daddy? The answer is either Chwer Glaker Daddy or near her. Alright? Ceir the dúirt an ceannaire le Donald, cad a dúirt sé. What did they say? The leaders say to Donald. An raibh broner Donald nuair a chonig siad an bheirt ceannaire. An raibh, so the answer is was he sad when he saw the two ceannaires? An raibh siad, the answer is either bhí siad or ní raibh siad. Alright? Líon the Bearnaí, guys, not too hard. Here you just have to look at the verbs at this stage. You know them. Gushik means to wake up. Hrick is to reach. Dole is to drink. Husig is to start. Valig is to gather. And Glaik is to call. So blank na posti gimmert pelasa fork. So I would say that would be husig. Blank an Shanvan glina bonnier margin. And what is she doing? Tá siad ag ol rodegan. So dole an Shanvan. I'll just go through these. Blank on previde na hishmahorian ye. The principal rang. I'm not going to tell you the parents yesterday. Blank Bannon fished gomukar margin. So Bannon fished is the postwoman early in the morning. Blank on Garda bar and Clayfair Cuiga Clug. Blank the guards the top of the mountain at Cuig at 5 o'clock. And Iver Shea blank on Muntor na Blahanas Hill. So blank, I'm not going to tell you what it is. The teacher, the flowers in the forest. Okay, so good luck with that. Slán live. Feck me who am